Hey, and welcome back to another video. So this is actually a bit of a different video, and if you didn't know, Paul Hudson, who runs Hacking with Swift, who's a massive person in the iOS community and helped out a huge amount of iOS devs in iOS development by running the amazing site Hacking with Swift. Well, Paul really is the Michael Jordan of the iOS community. But if you didn't know, he actually ran a community awards called the Swift Community Awards, which is an awards event where there are different categories which you could get nominated for. Now, the category that I was nominated for was the Rising Star Award, which was for a new Swift resource that has had a big impact on the community. And you guess what? Yeah, boy, I won. So, first of all, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who nominated and voted for me and has been supporting the channel with all the content that I've been pushing out daily. Because honestly, doing daily videos behind the scenes is a lot of work. So, what I'm doing to actually show my gratitude and as a thank you to all of you, just to give something back to the community, is I'm actually going to be running a competition to celebrate the win. So, I'm excited to announce. That was me doing a little drum roll on my table. That I'm giving away a free 1 hour session for anyone to talk with me about anything related to iOS development. So in this session, we could talk about career advice. I could try my best to maybe help you out with an issue that you're having, or we could just pick each other's brains out about stuff relating to iOS. As long as the chat is strictly related to iOS development, we can talk about it. So how can you actually enter this competition? Well, if you want to enter it, what you could do is either A, scan the QR code that's currently on the screen, and it'll actually take you to a form where you'll basically be able to gather more entries for this competition. Or I also have the link to the form that you're seeing on the screen here in the description box as well. So when are you going to find out if you win this competition? Well, the winner will be announced on the 4th of June, and this competition is going to last for 2 weeks. So be sure to make sure that you follow me on Twitter, and you're also subscribed to the channel so you get updates in the community tab for the when I announce the winner. And you can also do that easily by scanning either one of the two QR codes on the screen here. And finally, this competition is going to last for 2 weeks, so make sure that you follow me to keep getting updates for when or who wins, so good luck. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who helped support me and the channel. It really means a lot to me, and I really can't wait to see who wins this competition. Like I said before, the winner will be announced on my Twitter and also on my YouTube community page, so keep your eyes peeled on that on the 4th of June, and make sure that you're following me on these platforms. So that's everything from me. I'll catch you on a bit. Deuces.